Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am presenting you the short question answers of chapter number 9 Bio 10th class according to AMB small syllabus. Best of luck for your paper. If you have any query, you can comment. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.